CFD for engineers. Today we will learn how to import geometry from different software. So before importing geometry in this software, first we need to save that geometry in neutral file such as .step or .igs. So I have saved geometry. So go for import geometry, say step or IGS. Then I have downloaded 2 files, so I can take one. Say apply, say new project. Okay, now you can see like this. So what you can do, go in a geometry and say, now you can see geometry like this. Okay, so this is a chamber of one geometry from which something is coming inside. Okay, from 2 ways something is coming inside, and the bottom end is something going out. That is, once you do like this, go for build topology, say apply. Once you do build topology, you can see that here. Okay, so as the geometry is created in a such a way that it has been a symmetry from this side and this side. So for that purpose it has taken a quarter part of cylindrical object. Okay, so next part, what we can do, as it is, you can see here only half of the portion is required here in this part. So what we can do, we can, same way in different geometry you can find such cases. So at that time you can delete it or you can modify it depending on user. Now you can see here, this is a geometry like this, and there should be cut to cut topology should need to be maintained. Okay, there and then we can say that it is closed tight geometry or airtight geometry. Okay, so this is the way one can import the geometry from different software. Okay, then next part is simple, give the label to the geometry. I will show. Go in a part, say create part, you can say side wall. There are 2 side wall, I can say side wall 1, this is one side wall, side wall 2 is another, and I can say side wall curve, that is the back side. Okay, so likewise you need to label it so that when you are willing to see detail, so you can see these are the number of parts it has created. So first task you can do that, say create part, you can say geometry and go and select all part. Okay, so that then you can go in build topology. Now you can see there is no required for other part. Okay, so likewise I have did, and then you can give the labels. It means once you import default, it can give you a different parts to different lines, different surface. So one need to clean that things. That's why I have saved in one name all parts, and depending on requirement I can give side 1 for one side is side 2, side 2 is this, and side 3 I can give another label, that is curve. Okay, so likewise I can give the different labels, and output or outlet is this bottom part, and there is a inlet from two parts. So meanwhile what I will do, I will cut half of the portion, because only half of the pipe is required for me, only half of the pipe is required for me, not a entire geometry. So for that purpose I need to cut this geometry total. And another thing, that suppose this thickness of the pipe is not required for me, then I can neglect the thickness of the pipe, because when we take the thickness of the pipe, there is a it required meshing along that thickness, and which create complication. It will increase the number of mesh size. That's why if you think that you can neglect it, you can neglect the thickness. So depending on user, what user want. So what I will do, I will save the geometry first, save as 3D object. So I can say chamber, save. So likewise we can do the cleaning part. Hope you understood up to this. So remaining part which is required, that is to make the half of the portion, or I will shift this pipe to somewhat inside, so that I can use a total pipe as a inlet. So there are two inlet and one outlet. It is a problem of species transfer. We will see a separate video how to do a meshing and cleaning. Thank you. Have a nice day.